Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to unbox Moto G06 power. So friends, before we start it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start it. As you can see, the packaging is good. I've ordered this phone, so let's check about its specification, features and specification. Here's the mobile phone and this look very good. Let's check under the box. Here's the adapter and the cable wire, and here you will get some manual guides and pin ejector. Then finish. So let's keep this all on the side and let's check about its specification. At first, as you can see, here's the ports and buttons. This is on the side, and here or the down, this is the, and here is the speaker point, and this is mic. The charger is 20-watt charger and the 18-watt fast charging support. 20-watt charger in the box. Okay, so let's switch on the mobile phone. Here it has been turned on. And friends, do you know about this mobile phone? It's IP64 rating for dust and splashes resistance, like side mounted fingerprint. Here is the side mounted fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and this is the 3.5 mm jack, and this is 4G Lite. You can use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, USB Type C. It's included in this mobile phone. Okay, so let's type the pin. So at first, let's talk about the camera. Let's check out the camera. Friends, under the camera you will get time-lapse video, photo, portrait mode, QR code, and there is even more night vision, slow motion, pro, panorama. And if you check out the panorama, the camera is very look clear. And when you check the pro, here is the pro, and it's little bit looks like night vision, but this is the night vision. Okay, and it's look very perfect. I really just love it. So I captured some images under the night vision mode. So here is the night vision mode, and it's look very clear and perfect. So really the back camera is perfect on this mobile phone. This is the portrait, and I would like to capture some photos under the portrait mode. So guys, this is the portrait mode, and this will look clear, but this is looking like blurry because I have captured it under the portrait mode, but it's look very clear. You can enhance the colorful. Okay, the color is very highlighted. So you can use even the slow motion video. Here I just like to try out the slow motion video. Okay, and now let's check it out. Here is the slow motion video. Let's play. So here the slow motion work perfectly under this budget. Okay, and from front. So friends, this is the front camera, and here's the back camera. I think the back camera is better than the front camera, and the front camera is 8 megapixels with f/2.0 aperture, and the back camera is 50 megapixels with 1.8 aperture dual or AI lens setup. Here you can see 50 megapixel AI camera. Okay, so now let's check the screen. Friends, the screen of the size is 6.88 inch HD, and here the refresh rate is 120 Hz refresh rate. And about the display, this display is LCD with HD plus 120x 1640 pixels. It's the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, the glass. Okay. And if you want to know about the processor, then here processor is MediaTek Helio G81. RAM is 4 GB plus 4 GB RAM boost. It means you will get here the RAM is 4 GB RAM expandable with RAM boost, and internal storage expandable up to 1 TB via Microsoft SD card. And the battery is, friends, it's 7000 mAh with massive 18-watt fast charging. And now if you want to know about the quality of the video under the phone, then friends, here is the video. As you can see, this is the video. You can zoom in and out. You can zoom in out till here, okay? And this is very good that you can zoom until here. Let's increase the brightness. The phone I was recording, this phone is not good, so I cannot record the quality of this mobile phone perfectly. Okay friends, but this mobile phone is really good. I just love this phone. So friends, let's load the video quality. I have lowered the brightness, and now you can even check it out, the quality here. This is the 2160p60. It means 4K. Okay friends, so here is about the video quality. Wait, I would like to show you even the sound quality. I have used this mobile phone at least for 3 days, and it's perfect. Whenever the call used to ring, then it used to ring loud. Here's the media volume, and this is call volume. And let's hear the sound.
Hello, Moto.
So as you hear out, the sound is very good. And about the brightness, the brightness is perfect. Look, watch it out. This is lower of the brightness, and this is the highest of the brightness. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.